We have completed the Visium CytAssist run. Now we will perform probe extension and elution.
Start the thermal cycler program and prepare the probe extension mix during the CytAssist instrument run. Prepare a thermal cycler with the following incubation protocol and start the program. Thaw the extension buffer at room temperature. Vortex and centrifuge briefly. Pipette mix the extension enzyme. Centrifuge briefly and maintain on ice until ready to use.
First, we will perform probe extension.
Prepare the probe extension mix by adding extension buffer and extension enzyme. Pipette mix the probe extension mix. Prepare the probe extension mix shortly before using and maintain on ice. Add 200 microliters probe extension mix to each well. Gently tap the Visium cassette to ensure uniform coverage of the capture area. Apply a new uncut Visium slide seal on the Visium cassette and place on the low-profile thermal cycler adapter on the preheated thermal cycler. Close the thermal cycler lid. Skip the pre-equilibrate step to initiate probe extension. Sample may remain holding at 4 degrees Celsius in the thermal cycler for up to 24 hours.
Next, we will perform probe elution.
Prepare 0.08 molar KOH mix shortly before use by mixing nuclease-free water with KOH. Vortex and centrifuge briefly. Maintain at room temperature. Remove the Visium cassette from the low-profile thermocycler adapter and place on a flat, clean work surface after the probe extension is complete. Remove the Visium slide seal. Using a pipette, remove all probe extension mix from the wells. Add 200 microliters of 2x SSC buffer to each well. Remove all 2x SSC buffer from the wells. Add 200 microliters of 0.08 molar KOH mix to each well. Gently tap the Visium cassette to ensure uniform coverage of the capture area. Incubate at room temperature for 10 minutes. Transfer all solution containing the ligation product to one 1.5 milliliter microcentrifuge tube for each sample. Do not leave behind any solution in the wells. See tips and best practices for reagent removal instructions. Add 12 microliters 1 molar Tris HCl pH 8.0 to each sample. Vortex. Centrifuge briefly. And place on ice. Since we are using 11mm slides, we will then divide each 212 microliter neutralized sample among 4 tubes in an 8-tube strip, so that each tube contains 53 microliters of neutralized sample. If necessary, add enough nuclease-free water to arrive at the correct volume.
We have completed probe extension and elution. Next, we will perform pre-amplification.